Now, is the journey over or is it just beginning? For that, I haven't even got the answer. But in this 10-minute vlog, or what I'm going to try to keep to 10 minutes, I want to have a chat about life, journeys, everything that we're trying to achieve, how hard life can be as a human in this crazy world. So stay with me on this one. Now, there's one thing I do know, after all the hard work that I put in, I'm not stopping this channel. There's no way. I'm going to keep making content, keep traveling the world, but I have a feeling I've got to have a break. And it's not because I want to, it's financially. Now, I'm okay for money. You know, I'm okay for money at the moment. I'm fine. I could go back. I can keep creating this channel back at home where I can maybe do 2-3 days a week. And I have a load of ideas to keep the content coming, keep the content flowing, and go on a bit of a different venture for about 5 months. But I've let everything get on top of me. But this is life. Life is so hard. Now, some people get an easy start in life. Some people get really lucky. They break through. They find out exactly what they need to do either early on, or when they do decide they need to do it, bang, you know, it goes off. But you can't compare yourself to those people because every single life is different. Every single life pans out a different way. I believe luck can be created through drive. Now, some people get lucky. I do believe that. A lot of this game, especially in YouTube, is definitely a part of it, this luck, and it's part of it, this skill. It's both. And you need to learn from everything. Just like in life, you need to learn from everything. Learn from your rights, learn from your wrongs. I've made many. I'm a normal human being. I've done bad, I've done good. I've done both. I've learned from both to make my decisions now. I believed I was at the right point to start this venture. At age 34. I wouldn't have been able to do this 5 years ago. I was too much of a mess, I'll be honest, all over the place. I was a right party animal in my 20s, right up until about 32, and I had to make a change. I made this change last year. I started this venture as a new venture to get me back out and traveling, which is the best version of myself because I absolutely love it. But traveling now is expensive. 2025, if you want to move around loads, the flights, everything else, with inflation all around the world, we're all feeling it. It doesn't matter what country you're from. Everyone is feeling inflation. Everything's gone up. Everything's more expensive. That's just the way the world is. You've got to deal with it. You know, you can't change it. You have to deal with it. And life is hard. Life is so hard, and it doesn't matter what you're doing. And I wanted to create this vlog just to show people that I'm just a normal person, just like anybody, stuck, and also just trying to think about the next phase, the next point. You know, I want to just keep traveling now, but obviously I've come to a point now, I'm about halfway through my savings, and I've got a choice. Either I carry on and just keep burning through my money to potentially still not get to where that I need to be on the YouTube, because obviously you can make, once you get monetized, you can make money. You can make money through brand deals. You can make money through lots of different things through social media. But first things first, you need to get the numbers up. You know, it's crucial in this game. And the problem is with this game, it's so easy to compare. You look at another YouTube channel and you're like, what? They've done 20 videos, but they're on 50,000 subs, you know? You might go on another channel with 100 videos on 100 subs. It's a world that's completely out of your control, and that's what makes it so hard. You know, and it's so easy to compare yourself to other people, which is another thing in this world, what you shouldn't ever do. And even I do it. I'm only human, just like everybody in this world. We look at other people's lives on social media and we go, oh my God, like this person's living the best life. You don't know what that person's dealing with. You really don't. That person might make their life look so glamorous and so perfect on social media, through YouTube, whatever it may be. But the reality is the deep, dark side of it. Behind closed doors, they might be suffering. I have been suffering again. I'm someone who's come in and out of depression through life. And I'm okay now, but I had the last 2 weeks has been really rocky again. Worried about so many things, worried about the channel, worried about money. I don't want to go home, but feel that's the only option to be able to earn while creating, still building the YouTube channel, which again, I'm not going to stop vlogging. I have ideas for England if I make this choice. I'm not going home yet. I'm still going to sit, think, keep trying to work things out, stay here for at least another 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to pop a few vlogs out in Kathmandu and keep trying to work out my plans, because at the moment I'm completely lost, I'll be honest. But we all get like this as human beings. I don't believe a path is easy to choose. It's one of the hardest things in life. And when you're trying to create them goals, you're trying to move forward, but you feel like everything's pushing you back. And we all go through this. You know, there's an old thing, as a well-travelled person, what I've noticed through travelling is some of the, what you would call maybe the poorest, or some of the richest, whatever they may be. I've noticed that some of the poorest are the most happy. You know, I'm not trying to be rich, and my goal was never to be rich. Maybe in 10 years of YouTube, it was never to get rich quick. All it was try and earn money to keep, you know, me not spending my savings, to keep vlogging, keep pushing my channel, keep building. But unfortunately, it's happened at quite a slow process. Money has flown out of my account. I've done some things that I shouldn't have done and spent money where I shouldn't have done. But hey, that's life. You know, you just got to deal with it. Whatever life throws at you, you have to just deal with it. You have to overcome, adapt, try and think of new ways to keep going, keep chasing your dreams. I'm not somebody who can make a call to home and say, hey, can I get 10 grand to keep going? I've never had that in my life. I've worked for absolutely everything I've had, everything that I've achieved, I've worked for, you know, all this, you know, I'm a carpenter. I've worked, I've grafted, I've worked overtime. But here we are, 5 months down the line. I've spent so much money in 5 months. I've had an amazing time and I want to keep it going. My fear is that I keep going, spend all of my money, have absolutely nothing, then I have to go back to my day job in carpentry, which is something that made me chronically depressed. Everybody's different in this world. Some people can just truck on, some people love it. I've got such an active brain, and people are very similar to me. My brain goes at 1,000,000 miles per hour. Either I'm completely shut down or I'm thinking of 1,000,000 ideas at once. I've got ADHD, so that's just the way it is. And when I get down, I get super down. And when I'm up, I'm crazy up, you know? That's just my mental health. Everybody's brain is completely different. You know, we all work in different ways, different thought patterns, different ways of dealing with things. That's just life, you know? I've questioned a lot of things in these last 2 weeks, and here I am expressing everything, and it's going to be completely jumbled up. I'm sure this vlog will be so mixed up. I've got so much things going through my head. I don't rehearse nothing. This is a one-take thing, and I'm just going to express so many different things. But yeah, everything's become hard for me. You know, if the YouTube channel had progressed a lot quicker, then I'd probably be much more happy, you know, keep going. But I feel like I need to go and earn money while I'm creating, so I don't make myself completely broke, that I can't create no more. Because the moment I step back in a 5 or 6 days a week work, then I won't have no time to create. So I'm thinking about it logically. What I do is I go home, I work 2 or 3 days a week, go and do YouTube vlogs on the weekend, which I have ideas, have really cool ideas for content at home. My first inspiration to start YouTube was Outdoor Boys. Now, I'm sure a lot of people know him. If you're watching this, from Alaska, I've religiously watched him for such a long time, and he was my motivation. You know, my motivation to create a channel and try and make it as wholesome as possible, because I've been through so many unwholesome points in my life. I wanted to create something wholesome, but there's one thing with YouTube and content: people love negativity. It is what it is. I can't control that. I don't think no one can. If you notice, a lot of travel vloggers, they, you know, make all the worst parts of each country. I've done one vlog like that. To be honest, the backlash was so heavy. I don't mind it, but to be honest, I don't want to pursue it in a bad way. Everything's got their positives and negatives in life. Countries, people, you name it, everything in life. That's just the way life is. Nothing comes as a full positive, nothing comes as a full negative. That is just the way it is again. And I just don't want to create my whole YouTube channel on trying to get views just to be negative. You know, I wanted to create, so I think the goal is to keep going. I need to push more content, more ideas. I'd love to take the gamble and go to all different parts of the world and keep going. But my fear is, you know, you post that video and you get 500 views, you get 300 views. And I'm not going to deny it's soul destroying. You'd like everyone to watch your content, enjoy it, but it doesn't work like that. You know, you watch your analytics on YouTube. Most people click on your video and they click off in 5 seconds. You know, I can't control that. But what I will keep doing is pushing for my audience, pushing for my people to join me on my journey. But yeah, life is just a up and down roller coaster, and that's for everybody in this whole world. And I wanted to make this vlog as real as possible. I hope it's not too jumbled up, and I can already see I've gone well over time. And hopefully I've expressed enough through this vlog, but life is hard. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter whether you've got millions of pounds in the bank or zero in the bank. Both people are going to deal with different hardships through life. Everything comes with a negative. You know, that is just life. You know, you have to deal with that. And I believe the answer is to just keep pushing. I've quitted on so many things on my life, just like many of other people, so many different goals. You start something, you don't quite achieve it quick enough. You give up. But I don't think that's the answer. I think the answer in life is just to keep pushing. Just keep grinding, keep going at it. If it takes 1 year, it takes 2 years, whatever it takes as long as it takes. Rome wasn't built in a day. And I want to say that for anyone else that is chasing dreams, chasing goals, whatever it is, it doesn't matter what it is. If you want to be a head chef, if you want to do this, you want to work as that, it doesn't matter. Just keep grinding for it. Just keep pushing. You know, only you know what you want in life. And yeah, I've got, you know, I know what I want and I want to keep pushing for this, but I need to do it, you know, sustainably and logically. You know, I'm not a kid anymore. I can't get down to zero. I have nowhere to go when I go home. And, you know, I need to figure things out just like we all do. You know, we got to keep thinking, keep pushing, keep driving. And sometimes in life, that can be the hardest thing to do in the world. But then you need to break out of that bad mental cycle that you've got in and then push through and get back into the positive again. You know, I've learned that through my life, through being through so many ups and downs. I've been in the darkest rooms. You know, I really have. And there's been times, just like anybody in life, where you feel like giving up. But it's not the answer. You know, the answer in life is only the strong will survive. You've got to keep pushing. I'm saying that in the most motivated way because, yes, I'm still so driven. My drive will never go. You know, I've been through the battles. We all have. Every person in this world. Never look at somebody's life and think, oh, they've just had it easy. Everybody might be suffering with something up here. And that's life. And you need to keep on pushing and keep chasing your dreams. And I want to say that to anyone that's watching, anyone that's watched this far in the vlog, that just keep chasing. Whatever it may be, whatever it is you're doing. And I want to make this vlog, and I've wanted to do this for the last 2 weeks. I made one in shit one, but to be honest, I wasn't happy with it. And I wanted to come up to a beautiful location, sit and think, and then push this vlog out. And we'll see who watches it. So if you are watching this, you've watched it all the way through, I'd really appreciate a subscribe. This channel's not going to die. Even though it's a slow process, it's not going to die. The other thing I struggled with is I had 2 Instagrams shadow banned, so I just gave up on it, which is the best way to promote your YouTube. I've got a TikTok that I got monetized on, but the moment I put my card details in, it capped all my views. You know, but I can't do anything about it. When something is out of your hands, and you have no control, you need to just fight back with, you know, trying to get back in control, if that makes sense. Because a lot of situations in life we have no control of. You know, you just have to deal with it, whatever it is. I could have fallen off that bike on that bike trip, injured myself badly, and I could have been dealing with a hellhole. But hey, I still took the risk. You got to keep going. You got to keep pushing, whatever it is. But yeah. Yeah, it's a very funny vlog, and I wanted to express this, and hopefully I can connect with people. So comment below, like if you've enjoyed the video, hit me a share. Let's try and get some momentum on this video. Let's see what happens, because that's all you can do in this game. Keep creating, keep trying to learn. Constant learning curve life, you know, through the ups, the downs, we learn. We either get better or we get worse. The best option is we keep getting better. But anyways, I'm going to end the vlog there. I don't know how jumbled that is, but I think you get the idea. of what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to express, how I've been feeling through my ups and downs, this emotional roller coaster of YouTube and trying to create something that you have no control of. And hopefully with my drive and this drive, we keep driving all together. You know, as people, we need to stick together. There's too much negativity in the world. There really is. The world's crazy right now. You know, my problem is nothing. You know, it's a big world. There's loads of problems. The world is just insane. You know, look at what's going on. I don't even need to tell you. We all see the news. The world is crazy right now. Every country. I think Switzerland's about the most calm country in the world right now. But yeah, life is just a funny game. And that's exactly what it is a game. It's a game. It's like a card game, you know. What draw are you going to get? But what we keep doing is keep pushing. We're human. We keep rolling. You know, we keep pushing and do your best never to give up. But I'm going to end the vlog there. I hope you've enjoyed the watch. I hope you've enjoyed what I had to say. We've got a beautiful view here in Kathmandu. And I love you all. And subscribe if you've enjoyed this vlog. And check out my other vlogs. If you're first new to this channel, check out the other vlogs. And I wish everyone the best of luck in their journeys in life. Keep following my journey. It's not going to stop. This isn't the end. This is a new chapter. But anyways, I'm going to end it there. Peace and love, and we'll see you on the next one.